Hey guys, it's Kim and I have a really simple brown rice recipe for you in the Instant Pot. This is a great first time recipe, and if you're just looking for the perfect brown rice, follow along. So you start with 1 cup of brown rice. I just soak mine for a couple minutes. You can soak it as long as you'd like and then just pour off the extra water. I dump that into the Instant Pot and then add 1 1/4 cups of water. Add that to the Instant Pot and you're ready to put on the lid. So you lock it on, make sure it's set to sealing, and I use manual high pressure and I set it for 20 minutes. It'll take about 5 minutes to come to pressure, and then after the 20 minutes I release the valve and do a quick release. It takes about a minute for all the steam to come out and I'm ready to open the lid. So as you can see, the rice is not stuck to the bottom at all, and it is not watery. It's the perfect consistency. My family likes our rice a little bit softer, so you can play with the water ratio if you like it a little more firm. And then we just throw in a tablespoon of butter and a little bit of this Mediterranean sea salt. So that is it. This is an awesome first time recipe, or anyone who's just looking for easy, quick, perfectly cooked brown rice. Give it a go.